In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Amethyst. Amethyst is a Minecraft Java Edition launcher for iOS and iPad OS, and it's made from the same team as PojavLauncher, as they discontinued PojavLauncher and now made a new launcher called Amethyst. So, to download this app, it used to be quite simple, but because the IP can't be found anymore, there are additional steps that we do have to do. The first thing you guys have to do is go onto Google or any search engine that you guys use, and what you guys are going to do is either search up Side Store or Alt Store. So for this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do it with Alt Store since I was having some problems with Side Store. What you guys are going to do is just click on the very first link here. You're going to click on Get Alt Store, and then you're just gonna click on Alt Server Windows here. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys a full guide to it, but you're just gonna click on this here and go to Install Guide, and then just go to Alt Store Classic, how to install Windows right in this corner here, and then just download iTunes here and download iCloud. So make sure that you guys do download and set up all of these, and I'm assuming that you guys have already done that. And then you're just gonna open up Alt Installer. And obviously, once you guys do extract Alt Installer, you're just going to click on this here and set up Alt Installer just like how you normally would. If you guys do want to see the full guide for Alt Store, which I highly recommend that you guys do watch, then I will leave it in the top right, since there are a lot of steps that I am skipping that may be helpful if you guys do encounter any issues. But since this is not the main focus of this video, I'm just going to quickly skim through everything. And once you guys do open Alt Installer up, you're just going to go into search and type in Alt Server. Turn on Alt Server here. You can click check automatically, it doesn't really make a difference. And then you're just going to click on this show hidden icons button here, and then you guys will see your diamond here. So I have two because mine was already running in the back, so you can just right click on this, click on close, and then again just left click on this one here, click on install Alt Store, and then click on your iPhone. And now you guys are just going to put in your Apple ID. So I'll just do that right now. And now you guys can just move over to your iPhone here, and you guys will see Alt Store has been installed. However, if you guys try to click on it, it will give you an untrusted enterprise developer pop-up. So what you have to do is just trust the certificate. You're going to go into settings, general, scroll down until you see VPN and device management, and then you guys will see developer app here, and under developer app will be your email address. So you're just going to click on that and then click on trust. And once you guys have trusted that, you guys can now open up Alt Store. Make sure that you guys do click allow on all of these pop-ups, since some of these are actually required to run Alt Store. And now you're just going to go into settings, and you're going to sign in with your Apple ID, and make sure that this is the exact same Apple ID that you use to sideload Alt Store. And then once you guys have done that, just click on it. And now what I recommend is you guys go down to sources here from settings. You guys are going to click on the plus icon at the top here. And now you guys just have to click on the source right at the bottom here. Click the plus icon, crystalline dev. Click on that here. Click add. And now you guys can click on the actual source here, and you guys can see right over here, Angel Aura Amethyst, and it's free obviously. So now you can just click on this download icon here, and then as you guys are installing, you guys will see review permissions, and this pop-up may or may not come up for you. So you can just click on this here, click on approve. And as you guys can see, Amethyst is installing. You can go to my apps and wait for it there. And as you guys can see, Amethyst has now successfully been sideloaded. And so yeah, that is essentially how you guys get Amethyst. And so you can just click on Amethyst here, and you guys will notice that it is checking for JIT, which means that you guys do need to download stick debug or use any other method to enable JIT. So if you guys want to know how to do that, I'll leave a video in the top right for stick debug, as I believe that is the best way to enable JIT. And that's all you guys need to do to launch Minecraft Java on your iOS device however you want. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.